In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Wise Payment Gateway. By the end, you'll have Wise available as a payment option in your WooCommerce store, ready for customers to use. First, open your WooCommerce website and sign into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins. This is where we'll add the gateway. Click Add New to open the plugin library. In the search bar at the top right, type Wise. You're looking for a payment gateway plugin that integrates Wise with WooCommerce. Check the plugin details and reviews so you're installing a trusted, well-supported option. When you've found the right one, click Install Now, and after the installation completes, click Activate. Activation is what actually turns the plugin on for your site. With the plugin active, head to WooCommerce in the left-hand menu and open Settings. Along the top of the Settings page, click the Payments tab. This tab lists all payment methods available to your store. Scroll through the list until you find Wise. If you don't see it right away, refresh the page or confirm the plugin is activated. Next, enable Wise by toggling it on, then click the button that says Set up or manage to open its configuration screen. Here, you'll configure the basics your customers will see. Give the method a clear title, like Wise, and a short description so shoppers know what to expect at checkout. If the plugin offers a test or sandbox mode, use that first to validate your setup safely. Choose the appropriate currency settings if the plugin provides them, and review any checkout instructions that will appear to the customer so everything reads clearly and professionally. If the setup prompts you to connect your Wise account, follow the on-screen instructions provided by the plugin. When everything looks good, click Save Changes. To verify the integration, open your store's checkout page in a new tab and walk through the checkout flow until the payment options appear. You should see Wise listed as an available method. If it's in test mode, run a small trial transaction to make sure the process is working end-to-end. If Wise doesn't show up, double-check that the method is enabled in the Payments tab, the plugin is activated, and your settings are set. That's all there is to it. You've installed the plugin, activated it, enabled Wise in WooCommerce, and configured the essentials. Keep your plugin up to date and review your settings periodically to ensure a smooth checkout experience. Thanks for watching and happy selling.